If you've noticed water leaking from under the detergent dispenser, it usually means the dispenser is clogged with detergent buildup or minerals from hard water. In this video, you'll see how to remove the old dispenser assembly and replace it with a new one. We'll go step by step, taking off the top cover, disconnecting the hoses, installing the new part, and testing the washer after the repair. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop that leak coming from the dispenser area and keep your washer running like new. You're about to learn from an expert, so before we begin, let's talk about the Go Master professional who created this guide for you.
This is John, a home appliance professional from New York, available now on the Go Master platform. On Go Master, you can watch John and other trusted professionals in your area and pick the local expert that's right for you before booking. The service is already available in the US, Canada, Britain, and Australia. So if you're looking for a reliable professional, simply scan the QR code on the screen or use the link in the description to get started.
To reach the dispenser assembly, the first step is to remove the top cover of the washer. That gives access to the screws, hoses, and the entire dispenser unit underneath. To remove the dispenser, start by pulling out the detergent drawer completely. Once it's out, you'll see two screws inside that hold the dispenser assembly in place. Use a screwdriver to remove both of them carefully. They're the only thing keeping the dispenser locked to the frame. After the screws are out, the dispenser can now slide freely, which means it's ready to be disconnected and taken out. There's also a rubber hose connecting the dispenser to the washer tub. It's secured with a single clamp bolt. Loosen it, remove the bolt, and take the hose off. Here's the new dispenser. Always make sure the replacement matches the original, so everything fits exactly as it should. Now it's time to transfer the water lines from the old dispenser to the new one. There are 4 hoses in total, and each one delivers water from its own electric valve. Work with one hose at a time. Remove the metal clip with pliers, pull the hose off the old dispenser, and connect it to the same spot on the new one. This one-by-one method keeps everything organized and makes it impossible to mix up the connections. Once all hoses are attached, reinstall the metal clips to lock them in place. They must hold firmly when the water pressure builds up during a cycle. Finally, double-check that every hose sits straight and every clamp is tight. That simple step will prevent future leaks and ensure the new dispenser works perfectly once the washer is back together. Reconnect the rubber hose between the dispenser and the tub and secure it with the clamp bolt. Make it tight enough to hold it firmly in place. Now it's time to set the dispenser back in place. On the left side, there are 2 plastic tabs that must slide into the matching slots inside the washer frame. Make sure they sit correctly, then push the dispenser inward until it clicks smoothly into position. After that, reinstall the 2 front screws and tighten them gently. If a screw doesn't go in easily, the dispenser might not be aligned. Adjust it until both screws turn in smoothly and the assembly sits firm and even. It's best to replace the detergent drawer with a new one as well. If you're reusing the old one, make sure it's completely clean and free of any residue inside and out before installing it back. The top cover goes back on. Align it carefully, slide it into place, and secure it with the rear screws. If you'd rather have a professional handle this repair, Go Master is here to help. Just scan the QR code on the screen or follow the link in the description below. You'll find local technicians with real videos of their work so you can see how they operate and choose the one that fits you best. Go Master. Pick your pro before hello.